Hey guys, look at this little Bobby Dazzler. It is a BMW R9T RACER S. What do you get for the S? Well, over a standard one, you get the BMW alarm, spokey dokey wheels and ABS. Really nice bike is this. It is only done 1,834 miles. It's 2017 on a 17 plate. If you're looking something that's really retro, taking you back to the 70s and 80s of racing, this is the bike for you. It's mega. Got all the electronics in there as well. Got the ABS adjuster there, trip information. It's fabulous. And also just a little rear seat pod on there as well, just to give it that Cafe Racers look. Let's give it a start up. Don't want to give it too much, it's only just started up. Anyway guys, what an absolute belter. Get yourself a retro bike down at Jordanbikes today. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.